Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will go over the simple steps to drafting a 30B6 designee notice of deposition to a defendant corporation. This is part of the discovery phase. Please watch the video to the end as there is a lot of very important information at the end. As stated previously, a deposition is oral examination or questioning of a witness under oath. The party taking the deposition must give the required notice in writing. Please check your state rules. Set the deposition during discovery and serve it early enough and allow plenty of time to fix any issues that may arise. Okay, so first identify where the deposition will take place. Ask your attorney how much time will be needed for the deposition. To set the deposition, select a few dates from your calendar and put a hold on them. You will then contact opposing counsel and ask if any of your dates work for them. Then draft the notice of deposition. Okay, and this is the notice that we'll go over. As you may recall, the first page includes the caption. So fill in the name of your attorney and your law firm. Add the names of the parties. Okay, make sure you have the correct court. Add the case number and department number. The title of this document is Notice of Videotape Deposition and Subpoena Duces Tecum of Defendant's 30B6 Designee. You may delete the word videotape if this will be done in person. You may also delete Subpoena Duces Tecum if your firm is not requesting any documents. Okay, so add the date of the deposition and the time. The first paragraph identifies the parties and informs them that your firm will take the deposition of the 30B6 designee, as well as the date and time of the deposition and the location, the address where it will take place. If the deposition will be by video, you may add the link and password here, or you can provide it to the parties later once you have it. Okay, the next paragraph informs the defendant designee, the defendants to designate one or more individuals who are most knowledgeable regarding the following matters. I made a sample list here, so you may add your own list of those matters. Here, number 1 states the incident that is subject of this action. Number 2, who are the witnesses to this accident? Okay, and so on. Read this list and see if you can use any of those, or you may add your own list. The next section is the subpoena duces tecum. You can delete this section if your office or your firm is not requesting any documents. If your firm is requesting any documents, you can add them to this list, make a list of them. Here, an example is number 1 states any and all documents pertaining to business licenses. Okay, the next paragraph informs the parties that the deposition may be videotaped. The next paragraph is regarding an interpreter. So the next paragraph below that is asking the deponent to bring a driver license and that it will be admitted as an exhibit. And the next to the last paragraph informs the parties that the deposition transcript may be used during any proceeding. And the last paragraph is very short. It simply states you are invited to attend and cross-examine. Date it and add your attorney's name. Complete the certificate of service. Fill in the blanks. Add your name to the signature line. Okay, that is basically it for this notice of deposition. And some final notes. Remember to schedule the court reporter. If the deposition will be by video, email a copy of the notice of deposition to the court reporter and request a link and password. Provide the link and password to all the parties. If you must cancel the deposition, it must be done 24 hours before the deposition to avoid cancellation fees. And remember to calendar all dates and confirm the deposition with all the parties a day or two prior to the deposition. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions or any comments. I appreciate that. In the next video, we will go over